Once you've established where your cups are going to go on the finished base material, you're going to want to set up a little bit of a workstation. So what I like to do is use some kind of a cushion or padding. Here we're just using some cardboard, a pail, and something to kneel on. And what we're going to do, this is our cup location, we just want to be able to break up the area where we're going to dig out for our cups. So we'll show you later an installation method utilizing some of the corrugated pipe, but in this area around in here, we want to try to make our hole about double the size of the cup, so about 10 inches or so across. And what you can do is just use a hammer, I like to use, or something to just kind of have a controlled area that you're going to break up, so that then we can start removing some of the base material. And then something I like to use to kind of keep it controlled is a stiff plastic cup. This is just a cutoff from a Gatorade bottle. This allows us to scoop up and keep the area clean as possible. And when you get into a deeper hole, this allows you to be able to get the cup down in and work it around and really clean up the material. And we'll show you what a finished hole looks like in just a moment. Here we have a finished excavated area for our cup. And you can see it's about 10 inches or so across. And don't worry about the irregularity. What happens is when you run a 3/4 inch rock and the fine's on top, again, you'll have some areas that come out uneven. It's not going to be perfectly round. That's okay. We're going to be able to backfill that in, and we definitely want it wider than our sleeve because we have to be able to have room to put more base material, but also to put some concrete down in and around the outside edges. Now obviously this sleeve is much longer, or basically deeper or taller than the hole, which is only about 3 to 4 inches down before we hit the weed fabric. So then we obviously will cut the weed fabric out, and then this will allow us then room to put the sleeve in, and we'll excavate the sleeve down and around, and then this will get filled with concrete around the outside edge. And this obviously will help prevent weeds from going up and around, but we can get down into the dirt level and get our sleeve to the correct height before we fill this back in.